Apple has finally announced the date for its biggest iPhone event of the year. After months of rumors and leaks, we now officially know when Apple will reveal its next generation iPhones, and possibly its first ever foldable iPhone. Apple has confirmed that its iPhone-focused event will take place on September 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. The event will be held at Apple Park in Cupertino, California, and just like previous Apple events, the entire keynote will also be live-streamed online. And this time, Apple has given us a very interesting tagline: surprise and shine. The event poster shows a glowing Apple logo with what looks like sunlight shining through it. But of course, the real question is, what is Apple going to announce? Well, the main focus of the event will be the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. But there could be an even bigger surprise. Apple is heavily rumored to introduce its first ever foldable iPhone, which could be called the iPhone Ultra. And if these rumors are true, this could be one of the biggest iPhone launches Apple has ever done. Starting with the iPhone 18 Pro series, Apple is expected to keep a design similar to the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. But internally, there could be some major upgrades. One of the biggest changes could be the main camera. The iPhone 18 Pro models are rumored to feature a variable aperture main camera, which could give users more control over light and improve photography in different conditions. We are also expecting Apple's new A20 Pro chip, which could bring major improvements in performance and efficiency. Another interesting change could be a smaller dynamic island, giving the display an even cleaner look. The phones are also rumored to feature a new modem, which could improve connectivity and efficiency. And Apple may also introduce two new color options, dark cherry and sky blue. But now, let's talk about the device that could steal the entire show: the rumored iPhone Ultra. This would be Apple's first foldable iPhone, and according to current rumors, it could feature a 5.5-inch cover display on the outside. When you open the phone, you could get a much larger 7.67-inch inner display with a 4:3 aspect ratio. Apple is also rumored to bring Touch ID to the foldable iPhone, and because of its larger screen, Apple could give the iPhone Ultra an iPad-like user interface, making better use of the extra display space. Apple could also announce new Apple Watch models during the event, so September 9th could be a very important day for Apple. We could see the new iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple's first foldable iPhone, and potentially new Apple Watch models, all at the same event. And with Apple's tagline being surprise and shine, it looks like Apple is already teasing us that there could be something unexpected. So, what do you think? Is Apple finally ready to enter the foldable phone market? And more importantly, would you buy Apple's first foldable iPhone? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates on the iPhone 18 series.